Hi, I'm Lori from Lori's Country Cottage, and welcome to How Tuesday. Do you know that batik fabrics are hand painted? Their wax is applied to the surface, and it's a resist process. I've got a small video here from Hoffman Fabrics to show you the process. So watch and learn. I hope you've enjoyed our little presentation that we found from Hoffman Fabrics. We have a variety of suppliers for our batiks in the store. So take a look in the store or online at what we've got. I've got a little cap here that they talk about in the video. This one is from Banyan Batiks from Northcott, just one of the suppliers that we've got. But it's made out of copper, and this is the sort of thing that they use for printing. So I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you learned something, and I encourage you to use some batiks. They are beautiful to sew with, and they press up beautifully. Thanks for watching. I'm Lori from Lori's Country Cottage.